Hi guys! I'm Oliver from Quatag 101 and welcome to my channel. Ngayon pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba mag-solve ng simple word problem, a non-routine word problem using block method approach. Pero ano ba tong block method approach? 'Di ba? Ang block method approach ay isang paraan ng pagsosolve ng word problem through visualization. Kasi alam naman natin na ang mga kabataan ngayon ay nabago na ang trend ng pag-aaral nila. Okay? From the traditional lecture or from the traditional memorization, ay majority ng mga estudyante natin ngayon ay mga visual learner na. It is because of the technology. So, kailangan nating sumabay. At nakikita ko yung paraan na para mas madali nilang matutunan ang pagsosolve ng word problem ay through the use of block method approach. Okay? So, paano nga ba itong block method approach na ito? Mahirap kaya siya? Or madali? Subukan natin. Tara, pag-aralan natin. Okay, solving simple non-routine problems using block method approach. And that is involving multiplication, addition, and subtraction of whole numbers including money. Okay? So, simulan na natin. Okay. The first problem is a box contains 3 red rubber bands and 6 yellow rubber bands. How many rubber bands are there in 5 such boxes? Okay? So, analyze natin. Diba? Sabi daw, yung isang box, meron siyang 3 red rubber bands and 6 yellow rubber bands. Okay? How many rubber bands are there in 5 such boxes? So, let us try to draw a model. Okay? So, 3 red rubber bands. I draw a strips here. Okay? And that represent 3 red rubber bands. And another which contains 6 yellow rubber bands. So, isang box na yan. Sabi daw, di ba? A box contains 3 red and 6 yellow rubber bands. So, ang tanong, ilan daw rubber bands meron sa 5 boxes? So, meron na tayong 1 box. Oh, pangalawa. Oh, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 and 5 boxes. Okay, ang tanong, ilan daw lahat ng rubber bands meron tayo? So, we will be using this symbol, okay, that denotes that you are asked to add all the rubber bands inside the 5 boxes. Okay? So, iba-iba ang approach na gagawin ng bata dyan pag nakita nila yung model mo. Pwedeng ang gawin ng bata is to add 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 and so on and so forth until ma-reach niya yon. Or, yung ibang bata naman ang gagawin is to multiply or to add all 3's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 yan times 5. Then i-add nila. Okay? Another way yon. Or yung kung medyo fast learner naman yung bata or medyo magaling mag-isip. Okay? Ang gagawin lang niya, sisimplihan niya. I-add niya lang 6 plus 3 and that is 9. Then i-multiply niya sa 5. So, now, what is the answer? The answer there is there are 45 rubber bands in such boxes. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? Pause. Okay, so let us proceed now to the second problem. Okay. The second problem here is James bought 3 packets of balloons. There were 8 balloons in each packet. If he used 16 balloons, how many balloons did he left? Ulitin natin ha. James bought 3 packets of balloons. There were 8 balloons in each packet. If he used 16 balloons, how many balloons did he left? Okay, so step 1 is to draw a model. Kuha tayong model. So, paano ba? So, mag-iisip muna si Kwatog. Okay? Yan. Sabi daw, sa bawat packets, meron daw 8 balloons. Okay? So, meron daw 3 packets of balloons. So, and each packet contains 8 balloons. So, we have 8 here, 8, and 8. Okay? So, si bata mag-iisip na yan. O, yung estudyante. Isipin niya na, ilan lahat ng balloons? Mag-a-add na agad yan. So, yung iba ang gagawin, 8 plus 8 plus 8. Yung iba naman is 8 times 3. Okay? It doesn't matter naman kung paano niya gawin yun. Okay, ngayon, so si James, ginamit daw yung 2 packets. Okay? So, ito yung ginamit niya. Gumamit siya ng 16 balloons ang ginamit niya, which is equivalent to 2 packets of balloons. Tama? Okay. So, syempre, may natira. To represent, ito yung tinatanong, ilan daw yung natira? May question mark, di ba? Mapansin nyo, yung question mark, represent kung ano yung tinatanong dun sa problem. Then you will notice gumamit ako ng broken lines here that represent or signifies that this part and this part, they are equal. Same as with this. So ngayon, ang bata, through representation, hindi niya na kailangan gumamit pa or mag-multiply or gumamit pa ng kung anong equation dyan. By merely looking at the diagram, mapapansin niya or makita niya na agad yung possible na pwedeng gawin. At upon looking at the given diagram or model, malalaman niya na agad kung ano ang sagot. Ano ang sagot? Okay? So, the answer here is James had 8 balloons left. Okay? So, kitang-kita naman ano. So, ito at saka ito, they are equal. So, therefore, if this is equivalent to 8 balloons, therefore, this part is equal also to 8 balloons. Okay. Okay, another problem tayo. Oh, suko na ba? Oh, another. Next. Ito, medyo tricky question. Jaden shared 24 Yema candy equally with 2 friends. Ito, medyo marami ang nano dito kasi iniisip nila, yung 24 na Yema candy, binigay lahat ni Jaden dun sa kaibigan niya o dun sa dalawang kaibigan niya. Okay? Okay? Again, Jaden shared 24 Yema candy equally with 2 friends. She then put her share equally in two boxes. Okay? How many Yema candy she have in each box? Again, Jaden shared 24 Yema candy equally with 2 friends. Then she put her share equally into 2 boxes. How many Yema candy did she have in each box? Okay? So, step 1 is to draw a model. Medyo careful tayo sa pag-draw ng model. Isipin natin, ilan ba silang nag-share dun sa candy na yon? Obviously, 3 silang nag-share. Dun sa 24 Yema candy, hinati ni Jaden yon into 3 equal parts kasi kasama siya. Okay? Si Jaden, si friend, at si isa pang friend. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung yung friend niyang yun ay special friend. Ano? Okay? So, ngayon, ang sabi daw, yung share ni Jaden, inilagay niya daw yun dun sa dalawang boxes. Equally. Okay? So, box number 1 and box number 2. Then, nilagyan niya ng question mark. Bakit? Ang tanong kasi, di ba, ilang yema candy meron dun sa bawat box ni Jaden. So, tignan natin. By merely looking at this diagram, mapapansin natin or see ano ang pwede nating isipin agad. Diba yung 24 yema candy, hahatiin yan sa 3 equal parts. So, therefore, si Jaden meron siyang 8, yung dalawang friend, tig 8 yema candies din. Tama? Ayan, so, 8. But, wala naman tayong pakialam dun sa dalawang friend na yan. Kasi ang tinatanong, yung yema candy ni Jaden, nilagay daw niya dun sa dalawang box equally. So, yung 8, nilagyan niya daw ito, hinati niya, nilagay niya dun sa dalawang box na yon. Okay? Ang tanong, ilan ang laman ng box? Okay, tama Jaden. The answer is 4. Tingnan, ayan. She had 4 yema in each box. Diba? So, kahit yung estudyante ay medyo hirap. Pag binasa niya yung word problem, hindi niya masyadong maintindihan pa. Or, kasi may mga estudyante nga na pag binasa mo, personally, minsan ganun na napipil ko yun. Pag binasa ko yan, hindi ko pa siya maintindihan agad-agad. Hindi pa mag-sink in sa utak ko paano ko ba siya isosolve. So, babasahin ko uli. So, ngayon, one way para mas madaling ma-solve yan is to draw a model. Ido-drawing natin yan. So, ito yung maganda dun sa block method approach kasi nabi-visualize ng bata yung problem. Diba? So, another problem, number 4. Okay, number 4 problem. Rosa. Ang mga pangalan na Rosa, Jaden, James. Parang ito yung mga importante sa buhay ko eh. Si Rosa daw. Rosa sewed 4 buttons on a dress. Okay? After sewing 8 dresses, she had 12 buttons left. How many buttons did she have at first? Again, Rosa sewed 4 buttons on a dress. After sewing 8 dresses, she had 12 buttons left. How many buttons did she have at first? Okay? Kung iisipin natin, ginamit ni Rosa or na-i-sewed niya na yon sa mga dresses niya. Okay? Ngayon, may natira 12. Ang tanong, ilan ang buttons niya bago siya nag-start manahi? Diba? Yun yung tanong. So, subukan natin siyang i-visualize by drawing a model. Okay, nag-isip si Kwato. Paano ba? So, ang sabi daw, yung bawat isang dress, nilagyan niya ng 4 buttons. Okay? Look at the representation. So, naglagay ako dyan ng isang strips. Nag-label ako ng dress. Okay? Then, and that strips is equivalent to 4 buttons. Okay? Ilan daw yung tinahi niya? 8 dresses. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 dresses. Okay? Ito yung mga natahi ni Rosa. At bawat dress na yan, merong 4 buttons. Okay? May natirang 12. So, I use this rectangle or strips to represent 12 buttons. Mapapansin nyo, yung representation ko is mas malaki, obviously, dun sa kulay brown. Siyempre, 12 is greater than 4. Tama? So, kaya lang hindi ko na masyadong nilakihan. Kasi gumamit naman ako ng ibang kulay and that represent 12 buttons. Okay, nasa inyo naman yan. Huwag kayong gagamit ng same color kasi baka malito yung estudyante, ano? Okay, ngayon. Then, we put question mark here that signifies na or that determines that you are asked to get all the sum or the sum of these all numbers. Kaya may question mark. So, ganun pa rin. Dahil non-routine siya, iba-iba yung gagawin ng estudyante. Pwedeng ang gawin is to add all that. Tama rin ang sagot. Pwedeng ang gawin is to multiply 4 times 8 plus 12. Pareho din yung sagot. Okay? Kaya nga non-routine different solutions. Pero mag-a-arrive siya sa isang sagot pa lang. So, ano magiging sagot natin? Siyempre, 4 times 8 is 32 plus 12 is 44. So, the answer here is 44 buttons she had at first. So, meron daw 44 buttons si Rosa bago siya nag-start mag-suit. Okay? Question. Number 5 question here. Ito. Medyo tricky or medyo mahirap to i-represent kung mag-equation tayo. Okay? Para dun sa mga elementary, medyo mahirap ito. Okay? A pen and a pencil cost 15 pesos. Two similar pens cost 16 pesos. How much does the pencil cost? Again, a pen and a pencil cost 15 pesos. Two similar pens cost 16 pesos. How much does the pencil cost? So, mas mahal yung 2 pens kaysa sa isang pen at isang pencil. So, step 1 is to draw a model. Isip kwatog. Okay. By representing this, we have here a pen and a pencil. Ang sabi daw, it costs 15 pesos. Tama? Then, 2 pen cost 16 pesos. Now, by merely looking at this, you will notice that when you combine 2 pens, it is greater, or mapansin nyo, mas mahaba o longer than the combination of pen and pencil. Mas mahaba siya, obviously. Kasi nga, mas mahal ang 2 pens kaysa sa pen and a pencil. Now, by eliminating this, you will notice that, so, tanggalin natin kasi this equivalent to 8 pesos. Tama? 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, bawat isang pen ay 8 pesos pala. So, if this pen costs 8 pesos, by just simply subtracting 15 to 8, makukuha natin yung price ng pencil. And pencil cost what? 15 minus 8 is 7 pesos. Okay? Ganun lang. As easy as that. Okay? And for our last question, ito, parang nakuha ko to sa MTOP question before, ano? There were 67 oranges in box A. There were 92 more oranges in box B. Okay? Again, there were 67 oranges in box A. There were 92 more oranges in box B than box A. So, mas marami daw ng 92 oranges yung box B kaysa kay box A. If 164 oranges were sold, how many oranges were left? Okay. So, ito yung representation na box A, meron siyang 67 oranges. Si box B, mapapansin natin, ang sabi daw, box B ay mas marami ng 92 compare kay box A. So, therefore, ang box B ay box A plus 92. Yun yung ating box B. Naintindihan? Etong dalawa, pareho lang yan. Parehong 67. Ang sabi, ang box B daw ay mas marami ng 92 sa box A. So, this is, here's how to represent box B. Now, nabenta daw yung 164 oranges. So, nabenta na siya. Ngayon, ang tanong, ilan ang natira? Okay? Ilan daw? So, anong gagawin? So, tignan natin. Possible is to add all 67 times 2 plus 92. Then you subtract it to 164. Tama, di ba? 67 plus 67, so that is 120. So 134 plus 92. Okay? Then you subtract it to 164. So the answer is 62 oranges were left. So yun yung natira. Okay? So ngayon, by using black method approach, or if by trying to visualize the problem instead of writing the equation or the equation of the given problem, mas madali para sa estudyante na matutunan or masolve ang word problem. Diba? Kasi binivisualize niya eh. Now, kung gusto niyo pong magkaroon ng copy ng presentation na ito, okay, just comment down your email, add, okay, type nyo lang yung inyong email add dun sa comment section, then isesend ko po sa inyo yung copy ng aking PowerPoint. But don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, and click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo dun sa susunod. Mas maganda yung mga susunod na topic na i-upload natin. Okay? Sige? Thank you!